back to my channel. This is Just Jean. I do primarily unboxings, and then there's going to be a new segment soon called Tea Time where I will introduce you to new teas and tea accessories, and we will also talk about things. Mostly going to be book reviews as I'll read through my Owl Crate subscription, which I should have my first Owl Crate box in a couple of days, so I'm really excited about that. But this is a special video today. It is tea related, but it is an unboxing. So currently my favorite tea company is Plum Deluxe. And if I have a coupon code, which I'm not sure if I do, but if I have one, I will include it either at the end of the video or in the description box below. But otherwise, I just bought a crap ton of tea from their website. I'll include pricing and everything for you on the screen. And I also got a couple of tea accessories that I'm very excited about, so I decided to share it with you. Okay, let's see what we've got. So, one of the teas I already put in a different tea tin. Alright, so I will go through the teas first because they're pretty exciting. But in the little box, I got a cute little card here that just says fresh, organic, fair trade, plumdeluxe.com. They make their own tea blends. It's loose leaf tea, and it's kind of amazing. They do have a Tea of the Month club, which I've considered joining, but haven't done so yet because it takes me forever to go through my tea. And I always buy a lot of it at once, so I have a lot of tea, and I don't think I want to get a couple of bags of tea a month right now. But if you want to be a part of their tea program, it is you save 20% on your first order, I believe, after you join, plus free shipping forever. Joining the Tea of the Month Club, which is $10 a month. I think there's different tiers. I think you can get more than one tea and pay a little bit more than $10 a month, or maybe $10 a month includes more than one tea. I'm very confused by the whole thing, but go look at it and you'll know what it is. So, great. Anyway, back to the stuff. So, the first tea that I got, there are 3 teas that I got that were part of a self-care package where you could kind of put together a self-care package of your choosing. My self-care package included tea and 1 accessory, I believe. And I think some of the options were that you could include the honey sticks and that sort of thing, and decide how many teas you wanted. So I got 3 different teas in there. It is, the first one is the Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise Herbal Tea. It's all organic, rooibos tea, sage, peppermint, lemongrass, orange peel, blue cornflower, bergamot essence. And this tea was just a random thing that I chose. I kind of wanted something with lemongrass, I think, and the bergamot, I think, is what kind of jumped out at me. And that is what I smell. I smell the bergamot and I smell the peppermint and the sage the most. So that's going to be a really interesting tea for me. It's not fruit-based. A lot of my teas tend to be fruit-based. So the next one here is the, I'm saving the best one for last, the Evening in the Garden Herbal Tea, which has honeybush tea, which is my favorite tea, elderflower, rose, lemon, vanilla essence, and no caffeine. All of these are herbal teas that I'm introducing to you today. So here's the tea tin that I put it in. This is a tea tin that I got from Teavana a long time ago. So I'm just gonna kind of smell it. And it kind of still smells like the tea that was in here before, but at least you can kind of see what it looks like. The rose and the florally. It's a beautiful, beautiful tea. How floral it is. Hope that's easy to see for you. I didn't really hold up the other one, but here's the Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise tea. Yeah, so that one is for me to enjoy my favorite honeybush tea, which is the base of a lot of their herbal teas. It gives it a very sweet flavor without any sugar, which is amazing. And the rose and lemon together is something that I was interested in, so we'll see how that goes. And then finally, for my third tea in the little package that I got, is the Magic Butterfly Herbal Tea. This one is the one that I'm the most excited about. I've never had butterfly pea flower tea before. This smells so good. It has apple pieces, rose hips, hibiscus, butterfly pea flowers, blackberry leaves, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, orange peel, melissa leaves, lemongrass, lemon peel, blue cornflower, vanilla essence, love, and gratitude. This tea it smells so freaking good, man. I cannot wait to try this. I will probably have some of this like as soon as I'm done with this video. But here, take a look. It's very pretty tea. Hopefully you can see that, and the ring light isn't too terribly here. You know what? I think this is a better way to show you. Hopefully I don't mess up. There we go. That's a better way to show you. So that's what that looks like. And so the special thing about this magic tea, what makes it magic, is that the butterfly pea flowers, the tea itself starts out red, I think it starts red, and then when you add lemon into it, it turns blue. Like, turns blue. So it's a really pretty color. A lot of people like it for that. A lot of people like it for the magical color changing effect. This just smells like it's going to taste amazing. Alright, so in addition to those three, I also have the Elderflower Refresher Herbal Tea, which I believe was on sale because they had made too much of it or something. So this one says Elderflower, Peppermint, Apple Pieces, and it says stay cool, refreshed, and happy. I'm very excited about this one too. I really don't like peppermint tea that much, but I got 2 teas with peppermint in them this go round, and I got 1 last go round. So I don't know, maybe I'm like craving peppermint for some reason, but that's what it looks like. The elderflower, peppermint, and apple pieces. This smells very good too. I love teas with apple. Apple is also a really great sweetening agent in a tea that you're trying not to put any sugar in. So they always include a little sample. I think this is about 1 cup sample size, maybe. Well, it's my style, 1 cup. The instructions always say to use 1 teaspoon of tea per cup of boiling water. I only use that rule when I am making teas with caffeine or teas that have strong flavors like black tea, green tea, that sort of thing. Anything that's a tisane or that is an herbal tea, that's not going to have a super strong like bitter flavor after if it steeps too long or has too much of the ingredient in it. I usually use about a tablespoon, but I'm also using about 12 ounces of water when I make tea, so I don't know. Play around with that. Anyway, so Pineapple Pop Herbal Tea is the sample that they gave me this time. I'm very excited for this because this is on my list of teas to try from them. This is a green rooibos, pineapple bits, apple bits, mango bits, apricot bits, rose hips, lemongrass, orange peel, calendula, cornflowers, pineapple essence, love, and gratitude. A fun, inspiring, and calming cuppa. So very, very excited to try this one since I've never tried it before and because it has pineapple in it, which I really like. So let's move on to the other goodies in this box. I really love I have a Teavana tea infuser thingy that goes inside of a mug, and is it over here somewhere? It is. I used it earlier today, so it's dirty, but you know, it's just got tea in it. But that's my Teavana thingy infuser, and it has a little rubber cap, and you basically put the cap on top while everything is steeping, and then you use the cap as a little tray once it's done. But I use this thing constantly, and sometimes I just want to not have to wash it out every, time I make a cup of tea. I wanted more than that. I have 1 or 2 other tea ball type things. And so I got a tea infuser. long story short, I got a tea infuser. I also have several teapots that, like small teapots. In fact, that's right here too. So here's one of my favorite teapots to use because it has like a grate on the inside by the spout. You can actually see that. And so that, with larger piece tea, I don't need to strain this. I can use it to infuse the tea and then pour straight from the pot, which is really nice. But that doesn't always work out, or I want to use one of my bigger pots that doesn't have the strainer, or I just want to use a mug like I do with my other one. So I got this super freaking cute, I think it's called like Celestial tea strainer or tea infuser basket. And so it goes right inside a mug. But isn't that freaking gorgeous? I'm so excited. It goes right inside of a mug. It'll like hang onto your mug just like that. And you put your tea in, pour your hot water on top, and then you let it steep. And when you're ready, you can pull it out and enjoy your tea. So I'm very excited about this. I think this is freaking, it's just gorgeous. It's great. I can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use it. Alright, so the next thing I got is a little tin. So they do have tea tins on the website. This is a Le Chat Noir Tea Time. So this is really cute, and it's the name of my new tea segment, Tea Time. So I'm super excited. And I think I'm going to put the butterfly pea tea in here because, of course, it's my favorite, most exciting tea, and I'm excited to use my new tin. So yeah, they have quite a few tins. They're all super cute. One more item, and then I'm gonna make myself some tea. I'm also very excited about this. I've been looking for the perfect one of these for a while, and I think I found it. This was also part of the self-care package. I was able to add this in as part of my self-care package. So that was exciting. It's very well wrapped. This is a pewter teaspoon. I really can't get it out. How are you in here? There we go. Oh, this is more gorgeous than I ever imagined it was going to be. I'm so excited. Look at it. It's a pewter spoon. It is shaped in a heart. They say that the and there's a really cute design on the top here, this sun sort of design. I hope you can see that. But they say that it is an intentional heart shape. It's exactly the right amount of tea for, a teaspoon. And the point is to help you get those last bits of tea out of the can, out of the tin, or out of the bag. So I think this is awesome. It's got a nice weight to it. It's like perfect. It's perfect and it's beautiful. So I cannot wait to use it. I'm so excited. Yeah, you guys must think I'm insane. I'm mostly just really sleepy. But yeah, very exciting. This video has been long enough, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you check out Plum Deluxe. Literally every single tea I have ever gotten from them has been delicious. It's been amazing. So check them out. Check out my other videos on my channel if you like unboxings, and get ready for tea time. We're going to talk about a book that I just finished reading that I purchased from the Owl Crate website. So if you watched that unboxing, then you know which book it is. And otherwise, my Owl Crate box will be here this week, so there'll be a cause box customization video as well, coming to you soon. It's crazy because I feel like everything kind of like piles on at one time, and then I go through these periods where I like have nothing to do videos about, which is why I'm hoping that the book reviews and the tea time sort of thing will help with that, so that it's a little bit more consistent. But anyway, you guys are great. Like, subscribe, share the videos if you think they're cool. But definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. And let me know in the comments if you've tried Plum Deluxe, or if not, what is your favorite herbal tea to have at bedtime. Okay, bye.